directly from the phone. The Cradle is just here for easy connection.
Sure.
Nothing running on the Cradle. So what you get here is full Ubuntu desktop, the same as you would get on the
full Unity UI.
Yeah, exactly. This is you get the dash, you get everything you get normally with Unity. But on top of this, there is some integration specific to Android. So basically, you get all your Android applications right here in the dash. You get this, that's the people lens. So basically, all your Android contacts, all your recent calls, they are integrated here in the dash, and you can call them back just by clicking here.
Now, how do you call them through? What program handles that?
So it is the Android phone application that comes up here. So basically, you can write text messages. You can see the text messages from the phone. So this is like these are native Android applications that we're just displaying here. And later, that will be in their own windows, seamlessly integrated into desktop.
So you have a microphone, and then you can make calls.
Exactly. So also, what happens is you get a SMS. This blinks, so like integrated, and you can say, okay, like I want to see SMS, if I write a new one, and you can write the SMS. You can use your full keyboard to do that. Other integration things that we have are, so imagine you're going around with your phone and you're browsing stuff on the go, and then you plug it in and bam, comes up Chrome with the same tabs that you were watching, browsing in the phone. And then the same bookmarks are there too, so it's all synced between the two. When you open here, you undock, they appear in the browser, and so on. Another really nice thing that you can do here is use this as a thin client to access some applications in the cloud. So basically, these are Windows applications running on a Windows 7 server, and what you can do is you launch them here, and basically, they come up, and you can interact with them on the desktop. And they are like kind of like native Ubuntu, but this is a Windows application running in the cloud.
Okay.
So this is also this kind of integration. So you can use it just as a thin client if you want to.
And we'll have full root access to the phone while you're in Ubuntu?
Yeah, so that depends on the manufacturer.
Sure.
This one is the Matrix 2, and we have root, but well, yeah, up to the manufacturer.
So will it have full access to the package manager, and if it does, how are you going to keep it from breaking things?
You don't need root on this because this is Ubuntu. Once you're in Ubuntu, you can install all the packages you want, you can remove all the packages you want, you can use sudo to get root. It's just like the normal Ubuntu. It doesn't have anything to do with root on Android.
Gotcha. What about the build of Ubuntu itself? Is that special for this application, or is it a normal build?
It's a specific image built on top of the latest Ubuntu, but the special part is being able to run on top of the Android kernel, and all these integration features that I just showed you, we build them in the image too.
When eventually it's released, how's that going to be repoed? Is it going to be a special repository only for this? Is it going to have to come straight from Canonical? Do we know that yet?
No, we don't know.
Okay. Very, very exciting. Thank you very much.